Your second Starlink dish is doing nothing for your phone right now. Dead bandwidth. Second subscription completely wasted. The fix isn't an app on your phone. It's a router that bonds them both before your phone ever connects. Android can only connect to one Wi-Fi network at a time, and there's no practical way around that at the phone level. You need to physically cable the phone into a second connection, which isn't realistic. The right approach is to bond the two Starlink dishes at the router level before the signal ever reaches your phone. Your phone then connects to the router's Wi-Fi and gets the combined speed of both dishes automatically. So does every other device on the network. To set this up, you need a powered by Speedify router. There's the Miri X510. There are GL.iNET routers where you can install Speedify, or really almost any OpenWrt device can have Speedify installed. Connect both Starlink dishes to the router via Ethernet. The router runs Speedify and bonds both connections automatically, combining their bandwidth and providing failover if either dish drops. Connect your Android phone to the router's Wi-Fi like you normally would. That's it. Your phone is now on a bonded 2 Starlink connection without any app installed. Every device on the network gets the same. Laptops, tablets, smart TVs, all of it. Now here's the bonus. If your Android phone has cellular data, install Speedify on the phone. Speedify will bond the router's Wi-Fi, which is already 2 Starlinks working together, with your phone's cellular on top. So your phone ends up with 3 connections running simultaneously, Starlink 1, Starlink 2, and cellular. Links to the powered by Speedify router options are in the description, along with the full setup guide. You can get Speedify at speedify.com.